Getting the hang of phrasal verbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language, phrasal verbs. These are so essential in daily communication, and you will be surprised how often you already use them without realizing. So let's dig into the world of phrasal verbs, understand their meanings, and learn how to apply them correctly. Before we start using phrasal verbs, let's make sure we understand what they are. A phrasal verb is a verb combined with an adverb or a preposition, or sometimes both, to give a verb a new meaning. They are commonly used in everyday English, in both speaking and writing. Now, we're going to look at some of the most commonly used phrasal verbs and understand their meanings. 1. Break down. This means to stop functioning or fail. 2. Give up, to stop trying or quit. 3. Turn up, to arrive or appear. 4. Look forward to anticipate or be excited about a future event. 5. Bring up, to mention or introduce a subject. And so many more. It's important to remember that the meanings of these phrasal verbs can't be deduced simply by looking at the individual words. Let's now try to create sentences using these phrasal verbs. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using them. 1. The car broke down on our way to the beach. Break down. 2. I won't give up. I'll keep trying until I succeed. Give up. 3. We waited for an hour, but he didn't turn up. Turn up. 4. I'm really looking forward to the summer vacation. Look forward to. 5. He brought up the issue during the meeting. Bring up. Practicing this way will help you to grasp the application of phrasal verbs quickly. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Phrasal verbs may seem tricky at first, but with regular practice and usage, you'll start to pick them up naturally. Remember, English is a versatile language, and phrasal verbs are a part of its charm. Keep practicing and never stop learning. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're looking forward to catching up in our next lesson. Happy learning!